channel. I'm Catherine and this has just been Catherine. And on this channel I share easy DIYs, home, and encouraging messages through a creative form. And I am so happy that you all are here. I am bringing you all another fall video, an encouraging fall video. I want to say thank you Merit for sponsoring a portion of this video. Merit is a minimalist luxury makeup brand and they focus on less is more, which is right up my alley. I'm currently wearing their full face of makeup, but you probably can't even tell. But we are going to talk about them a little bit later in the video. I wanted to create an encouraging video, welcoming fall, welcoming change, to break up the monotonous routine that we often find ourselves in day to day. And maybe it comes with age or wisdom, but in the last 2 years, I've invested so much time into intentionality and self-care. I don't just mean the pampering, I mean that's good as well. But finding joy in the little things again, reigniting your excitement about things that you used to do that you no longer do, being still, being aware of your surroundings. And I took all of those things and packed it into this fall video in hopes that it encourages you to do the same. So here's the 6 days of festive ideas and mindful activities welcoming fall. Every morning I set time aside for quiet time, and basically is making a hot cup of tea. And to celebrate fall, I usually drink chai tea, but I mixed it up this year and I'm trying this seasonal pumpkin spice tea. It has a sweet flavor that's paired with warm spices. It's so delicious, y'all. And then I journal and pray. Typically when I get up, my mind runs before I even have a chance to open up my eyes. And I found jotting all my unruly thoughts down on paper really helped freeze up my mind. I'm currently reading Seeing Beautiful Again by Lisa Turkis. It's basically about hoping again in devastating or discouraging seasons. And I'm very intentional about my atmosphere as I choose something soft to wrap myself up in, which lately I've been into like oversized loungewears. And in the mornings, robes and fuzzy socks. And I create a calming atmosphere with accent lighting and lighting a candle, but ultimately sitting in stillness, in quietness, really using this time to reflect. I really find having this quiet time every single day truly helps make my day and decisions run smoother. I've seen a significant difference when I have my quiet time in the mornings and when I don't. I highly recommend you add this routine to your day. This is our first year celebrating fall in our bistro, and for you guys who do not know, we made over our dining room into a cozy bistro specifically for the colder seasons because we wanted the outdoors indoors. We got up really early this day and made a fallish breakfast, basically by making pumpkin-shaped pancakes. I had tea in my pumpkin-shaped mug and my husband had coffee. And then we tried this maple syrup that's from Trader Joe's. Y'all, it's so delicious. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness and it's not too much. And then we just had great conversations early that morning. When I went out driving, I rolled all my windows down. I typically don't do that, but the breeze was amazing and it truly felt like fall this day. You guys really love the Stovetop Simmer that I did last fall, so I'm bringing you back with another one that I tried this year. It's a bay leaf recipe, and it's 3 ingredients: cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, and cloves. And typically with Stovetop Simmers is you can choose from spices, essential oils, fruits, anything you have in your house that you like the smell of, that you want to be an aroma in your home. So it doesn't necessarily have to be these ingredients, so just explore. But you're gonna fill up a pot, in my case, with 4 cups of water. Pour all your ingredients inside, bring it to a boil, and then lower it and let it simmer for about 2 hours. But make sure you set an alarm. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 7:30. This is after an hour. Water is darker, the cinnamon sticks open. You can really smell it throughout the house. I recently discovered that you can save your Stovetop Simmer and use it the following day. Right off the bat, it still smells so good. It smells like the simmer just inside of a jar. This might just be a hit. I put my nose to the pot to see if I can smell anything, even when I added the water, and it still smelled very strong. I recently read somewhere that you need 5 hobbies, and one of those 5 hobbies that I find significant for this portion of the video is a hobby to keep you creative. And as a creative myself, I'm constantly being inspired, but I also do it as work. So sometimes I need that break to rejuvenate my mind, to come up with fresh content and new ideas. As many of you all know, I love plants. I recently found myself toddling in the area of creating bouquets, so I'm gonna create 2 fall floral arrangements. Everybody's creative in their own way. And being creative keeps your mind active, helps with new ideas and being innovative. So last year for Thanksgiving, I created a Thanksgiving tablescape for my mother-in-law, and she really loved the eucalyptus. I created a cascading eucalyptus garland that went all over the table down to the floor. It was so beautiful, and she loved the eucalyptus. I decided to create her a bouquet featuring a eucalyptus in it. I don't want any of the floor to touch the water because that is how the water gets dirty quicker and bacteria spreads. Individually, just crisscrossing all of my floral and let it hang organically. This is going to be something new that I'm adding. It is a fall essence. This by itself looks so good, but I think this is really going to make this pop. Update on the Stovetop Simmer. It smells just like I made a fresh batch. It smells amazing.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No.
So pretty,
Yeah. All of my friends.
I could leave it just like this and make a bow. But I'm definitely gonna add a touch of boho to it by adding these wooden beads. I think she's really gonna like this, y'all. And I purposely didn't cut the stems down more because I know she's gonna have to clean out the water. I find to be helpful is that when your water starts to get dirty, take the flowers out, pour in some new water, but also cut the stems down too.
Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby.
So I consider wearing makeup as a form of self-care as it assists in boosting my confidence. As I briefly stated prior, Merit is a clean luxury makeup brand, which is great for anyone with sensitive skin like me who deals with not only sensitive skin, but dry skin and sometimes psoriasis. So I was super happy when they sent over their full makeup line for me to try. And so far, I can say that I have been impressed. Y'all can't even tell that I'm wearing makeup. But the product that has become a favorite is the shade Falcon from their Slick Shade Lip Collection. So this one is one of 3 of their new lip shades recently released just in time for fall. I've always been a no makeup girl for like the last 12 years. The most bold I get is through my lip colors. And I actually pick out the Falcon because I typically wear neutral lip colors all year round. So I really wanted to try this dark brown. I would have to say that Falcon's a beautiful color and the lip oil concept is just impressive. It's like a chapstick, lipstick, and gloss all in one. Okay. This is probably my favorite part, is the lip. When it said that it was tinted, I was not expecting this much color, but I absolutely love this color. Like, I can wear this every day. This is what I typically wear anywhere. I always go for a more no makeup type of look. Over time, however, I did notice that the color does fade, but the shine remains, which is another win as someone who always carries multiple lip moisturizers or lip products in my purse. But since we are approaching cooler weather, this will come in handy, and I truly look forward to wearing this tinted lip oil this fall. Down below in the description box, click the link to shop Merit's products, and with your first order, you receive their prettiest signature makeup bag. Tradition I started in our family that you can start in yours as well is creating a fall cozy dish specifically for this time of year. Look how gorgeous this is. And I love it because you can put it in the microwave and the oven. Then you can have it on the table as like a decorative dish. So it's so beautiful. apple crisp during this time is my jam, okay? From my Starbucks drink to baking it. And waiting a whole year to bake apple crisp just make the fall season even more special. My husband and I absolutely love it. And I will leave the inspo recipe down below. I hope you give this recipe a try. This is my 4th cup of tea in 2 days. This tea is so delicious. This is what I'm drinking. It's from Trader Joe's. And it just so soothing. It's a break from my chai tea for sure. It's so delicious. So good. Smells so good, y'all. I'm waiting for these 10 minutes to be up. I gotta taste test it, you know, before my husband comes home, so I know that he likes it too. You know, I gotta give him a report how this tastes. This is such an easy recipe to make, and when you top it with vanilla ice cream, oh my gosh, y'all. The warmth and the cold together is just, wow, there's no words. If you haven't figured out by now, I love creating moments, and s'mores are one of those classic cooler season snacks that everyone loves. We created ours with the s'mores maker. I will link it down below if you're interested. You can also create that outdoor campfire experience indoors just by putting your s'mores in the oven. So thank you all for watching this video. Let me know down below in the comments how you're going to be welcoming fall. And as always, I will talk to you all later.